Today we're doing something a little bit different. Working on Mum's car. She's got a Ford Territory and we had a saggy roof lining. So we've got it all out. These little lights, you leave them in there because the clips, you'll break them if you try and get them out while they're on the lining. And also this front console, there are screws. I'll show you in a little while when we flip it over. And you've got these clips at the back, the light there. This one here, you can't take it off, you've got to just unclip it and then just push it through at an angle to get it out, and that'll sit in with the wiring. I've just taken all the plugs off. But this one here, you can see that it's actually crimped and soldered there, so you can't, that's that middle one. You just pop it off, you pop these little clips out. I made a little tool just so I can pull them out, get it in underneath. And everything else, just you pull the door rubbers off to get it out. And it just it's flexible so you can get it out from behind these. You can see why people aren't successful when they're trying to just glue it while it's still in the vehicle. Foam backed, the material's got like a foam backing, and it's very difficult to glue that to the foam, the sponge. What we have to do is peel all this back and rub all this off. This will just rub off quite easily, you can see. And we've got a sheet of new lining. We just got it on eBay. It was like $50, $55 I think, delivered. And then we'll just glue the other one on top of that and put it back together. Would have all fallen off anyway, eventually. Got the new lining all glued on nicely. Our upholsterer did it for us because we don't have the glue. Apparently it takes about 2 litres of glue to put it on properly. The stuff you get in the spray can is too thin anyway, so probably a better option just to get the upholsterer to do it. So we're going to put this back on, and that just goes around that way, goes from underneath, put the screws back in. Now putting these back on, if you try and reef them off without undoing these little clips, you'll end up breaking them. It's just got that little metal retainer clip on the top. You can see if you end up just trying to pull that out, you'll break these little plastic clips here. So you've got to just open them up to get that out. So it's better just to pull the electrical plug out. And we've got one at the rear and 2 at the front. One over there, one over there. And this front sunglasses case and that little unit there, that just screws in 6 screws. There we go, the center lamp, you just push it in through there and everything else is on. You can see we're going to just put it all back in. You can see the curtain airbags there and all the wiring. Now we're just going to run all the wiring back in, plug it all in, push that center light back through there, and we can push it back up. We've pushed it all in under those trims there, and now we've just got to bolt it all back up and clip it back in. It's done. Now it's looking good. There you go. Thank you for watching.